back to Choose Your Own Path. So today we're gonna see if our little Kingroon printer can print this guy. He's huge. So obviously there is gonna be, like right now, this guy is going in the top piece. That's a 9-hour build, and then the tusks and the head and the trunk and the feet and the base. We're gonna see if our machine can do it. We're gonna bring it down and try. Okay, so we are on to the biggest build we've ever done. This guy's gonna be massive, so we definitely need to make sure that we are leveled everywhere. I checked the levelness of the whole area first. This is what's the most important right now. You can't see that. Is the nozzle, not to hit this too hard. It's got to be at least, well, it says 1 or 0.2 millimeters correct. That's pretty touchy. That's up by eye, and I don't got good eyes. I'm French. So it's gonna go down, and then what I do is just to make sure, is just to make sure that the paper slides through. I'll have to bring the light down here to see better. I'm sure that's okay. Oh, I hope so. This is a big print and you don't want it to fail. So we go by doing the first point of leveling, making sure we got some good wiggle room, and then I'm going to go to point 3 because I'm always going across. I do the cross things first. Instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, it's just, it makes sense. That one's good. We'll go to 4, which is that side. It's a little tight. That's good. And then 2. And then we do it one more time. One more time, not 2. Okay, that's good. Then we'll start off at point 1. Okay, that's pretty good. Point 3. That's pretty good. 2 here. You can see I'm just trying to make sure that we have enough slack. And then we'll go to 4 again. That'll be the last one. Now I put supports in for everything, so this, because this object is obviously has some sort of, how would you say it? It has a little bit of, well, it has a lot of space to it. And then we go to 5, which is the center. As long as I can pull it out, all right, like that, I'm pretty happy. So now what you got to do is we have to move it back up, move it up as high as it goes. All the way to the top. All right. Then we want to preheat the bed, and we always have the preheat at 185. Like so. And then we also have to preheat, sorry, that's the extrusion. Now we have to preheat the bed to 60. I made a mistake on that one. So I just go to 60. And now we wait. So, all right, so we're all set and ready to go. Just got to put our file, confirm it. Let's hope. 9 hours just to print this guy. Let's see how big it starts off as, because you'll see it forms a skirt like a raft. I know some people say, you don't need that, but to me, I'm looking at it as it'll stick to it better. I'm always pulling off that little piece that's there, which is hot. You want to make sure there's nothing there. You'll see, first of all, you'll bring it down if there's anything hanging there, which might be. So I don't know if I caught it. There's a little piece there I can see hanging. Maybe it won't be too bad. And let's see how big this guy wants to be. Well, it doesn't look too big. Okay, it will be a while before this even shows anything because it's, first of all, it's got to start doing the raft. So we'll just come back and show you progress made. It's still at 0%, so it's putting down these ugly looking rafting kind of things, so that's a good sign. There's a little bit of a mess I cleaned up. I don't know if that'll affect it anymore because this is what it sits on. That's what we're looking for. So we'll come back when we see it, guys. Little update. We're at 12%, and it's been 2 hours and 23 minutes of printing. So there's something. You can see a little bit. These are the supports because that piece overhangs. I don't really know if you need it, but all I can really see right now is a spike there and a spike there and whatever in the back. So we'll keep on showing you. Stuff is getting there. Looking good. Looking good. And I think we're at 72%. So getting there. A lot of detail. Oh, there's a lot of detail. It's going to be crazy. I think that centerpiece comes out though, because it's just, I know that piece comes out. Yeah, we'll figure it out when it's done. So 72%, probably another 2 hours. Probably 11 o'clock it should be done. Keeping our fingers crossed. So here is, we got it done, and we just had a little bit of filament to spare. So I'm gonna take it off the building plate. Don't even have to move it. Look at that. That is the whole back end. We're just going to sit on the elephant, so we just got to take off the supports in front and back. We'll do that. It's like midnight now, so we'll do that. All right, guys. So after about 2 hours of cleanup, that was all full of those damn supports. And there was, you know what? I find there's a lot of wasted. So you can see in there, that shit was all the supports that were in here. So, can that little Kingroon print big items? I think so. Detail on that. That's pretty good. And that's only one piece. We still got the elephant. We got the head, the body, the legs, the trunks, the tusks, and all the little shields that go on here. I always wanted one of these things, and I'm going to make it. Takes time. Just went and changed out the filament. Ran out of white, so went to the green. Burnt my fingers a whole whack at times. Look at that. That's just, oh, damn thing's hot. Should have shut it off first. Anyway, on to the second piece. All right, guys, keep on watching.